Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead as we dive into calisthenics skills progression. Quick and easy guide. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to master calisthenics skills with ease. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best high-quality workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Body calisthenics is a form of strength training that uses your body weight to improve your strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. It's an accessible and versatile workout method that can be done anywhere, anytime. Today, we're going to cover a progression plan to help you advance in calisthenics, focusing on key exercises that will take your skills to the next level. Step 1. Master the basics before jumping into advanced moves. It's essential to build a strong foundation with basic calisthenics exercises. Start with push-ups. Aim for proper form with a full range of motion. Begin with knee push-ups if needed and progress to standard push-ups. Pull-ups. If you're a beginner, use an assisted pull-up machine or resistance bands. Work towards unassisted pull-ups. Squats. Focus on bodyweight squats to perfect your form before adding any weight. Planks. Strengthen your core with various plank positions, starting with the basic plank and advancing to side planks and plank variations. Step 2. Intermediate moves. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to challenge yourself with intermediate exercises. Dips. These target your triceps, chest, and shoulders. Use parallel bars or a sturdy chair. Leg raises. Strengthen your core and hip flexors with hanging leg raises or lying leg raises. Front lever, an impressive core and back strength exercise. Begin with tuck lever progressions. Planche. This move demands immense shoulder and core strength. Start with planche leans and tuck planches. Human flag. This gravity-defying skill tests your entire body's strength and stability. Practice by holding a vertical bar and working on your side plank strength. Tips for success. Consistency is key. Stick to your workout routine and practice regularly. Rest and recovery. Give your muscles time to recover and grow stronger. Nutrition matters. Fuel your body with a balanced diet to support your fitness goals. Set realistic goals. Progress at your own pace and celebrate small victories along the way. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Keep pushing your limits, and I'll see you in the next video.